Hey guys, welcome to Coding Clown. Today I'm going to talk about binary number system and bitwise operators. To work with bitwise operators, we have to know how to convert our numbers into binary numbers and how binary number system works. So first I am going to explain what are binary numbers and how binary number system work. So I will show you that in my whiteboard. Like if I have given a number like 37. Sorry for my bad handwriting. This is in base 10. What is base 10? Our normal decimal number system which we have taught in schools. In binary number system there is binary number system has base 2. Now what is this base means? Let me write base 2. This base means how many numbers does the system contains. In decimal system we have 10 numbers. 10 numbers from 0 to 9. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 10 numbers are included in our decimal number system. But in binary number system, we have only 0 and 1. And computer understand the language of zeros and ones. You have known from in the school. Now I have to convert this base 10 number into base 2 number, which is in binary number. Now here is the procedure of it. Let me erase all of this. You can see. So to convert a decimal number into binary number, we have few steps. We will divide the number successively with 2. Like if I have 37, I will write 37 here and divide it with 2 successively. Now 2 does not directly go 37 does not directly divided by 2. We have 36 and 36 we get from 18 and we write 18 here, and here we will write remainder. Now what is the remainder? Remainder is 1. 2 18s are 36 plus 1 37. Same goes with 18. Now here we will do, it will go with 9. Now remainder is 0. After that we do it here, like now it is 4 and remainder is 1. Now 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. 2s are remainder 0. 1 remainder 0. Now like it goes from 0. Now remainder is 1. Lastly we will read it from bottom to up. Now my binary conversion of 37 is 37 base 10 base 10 equals to 1 0 0 1 0 1 base 2. Now we have converted our 37 into base 2 in binary form. This is the binary form of number 37. You can do it with any number and you will get its binary output. This is all about the binary, how we can convert our number to a binary number. Now I am going to show how to convert this number back to decimal number system. Now you have noticed that we write a number like 3 4 5. Now in this number it's the ones place, it's the tens place, and it is the hundreds place. Means it is 10 per 0, which is equals to 1. It is 10 per 1, which is equals to 10. And this is for decimal number system, and it is 10 power 2, which is 100. Now you can notice if I do like that, 3 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1, I will get 345. It is clear to you. Here we can process our decimal number system and we get this number 3 into 100, 4 into 10 and 5 into 1. I have multiplied with same 5 with 1's place, 4 with 10's place and 3 with 100. We can do same with our binary number, but here is base 2, so we have to do so like that. Now what was the binary, let me copy it. Binary representation of 37. Now the binary representation of 37 was 1 0 0 1 0 1. Now here this is 2 power 0, this is 2 power 1, this is 2 power 2, this is 2 power 3 and this is 2 power 4 and this is 2 power 5. Sorry for the bad handwriting, I am not good at using whiteboard. This is like that, I can do so. Now with below 1 I have 2 power 5 on the left hand side, so I will do 2 power 5 is 32. I will multiply 1 with 32 and 0. Similarly with case 0 into 2 power 4 is 16 plus 0 into 2 power 3 is 8 and plus 2 power 2 is 4, 1 into 4 and similarly 0 into 2 power 1 is 2 and plus 1 into 2 power 0 which is 1. Now like you can see 32 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 36 plus 0 plus 1 is 37. I can simplify it more like 32 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 which is equals to 37. Now I converted our binary number into decimal. It is really easy. Now we have great understanding of how to convert our number into binary and binary number system and how we can convert our binary number into decimal. Now I am going to explain about how bitwise operators work in Python. In Python we can get a binary representation of a number by using bin function. I will show you that. Now these are the bitwise operators available in Python and I have wrote a brief descriptions about these operators. Please read these notes along these videos. You will have great understanding of the concepts and do active learning as I said in my previous video. Now I am going to explain one by one these operators to you. First I am going to create a Python file as my favorite name 1. Right. Now I am going to explain bitwise and operator. The symbol is this and symbol. Now this operator what does? It it results bit where both bits are 1. What is bit? Now 0 and 1 are bits. If the at that position both bits are 1, 1 and 1 result will 1, and otherwise it will result 0. It's same as a logical operator where both true will result true, otherwise result false. Now like if I print binary representation of 2 and binary representation of 4. As you can see, here are the result. Now ignore this first part, the binary representation. These are, I am going to copy them. Now 2 has 0 0 1 0. Now the void places can be filled with 0, as 4 has this binary representation 0 1 0 0, and I can fill this void place with 0. Now as you can see, here 0 and 0 will result 0. 0 and 0 will result 0, and 0 and 1 will also result 0. 1 and 0 will also result 0, and 0 and 0 also result 0. So the AND operator will return 0 to me. Let's check it. 2 and 4. It will return us our answer. Now you can see I am getting 0 as my answer. B equals to 4. So I can do it same with variables. Now if I took a number with like that, this is by the way 6. 6 as this binary representation, you can check. 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1, 2 plus 2 power 2, 4, 4 plus 2 6. Now this will result into 2. As you can see, my answer is 2. As 0 and 0 will result 0, 1 and 0 and 1 will result 0, 1 and 1 will result 1, and these two will result 0. So my answer is 2. As you can see, these both have same binary representation. Now I am going to comment this out, and you can use this code also. Now I am going to explain bitwise OR operator. Bitwise OR operator is same as logical OR, where either one bit is 1, it will result 1, or if both the bits are 0, then it will result 0. So I can show you here. If I took same example for it from here. Now you can see I have, but I am now applying OR operation on it. So my answer would change. 0 and 0 will result 0. 0 and 1 result 1 in case of OR, and 1 and 1 will also result 1 in case of OR, and 0 and 0 will result 0. So my answer would be, now its symbol is this pipe symbol. My answer would be 6. Now we can check it. Now you can see my answer is 6. Now similar with bitwise XOR operator. XOR operator is similar with OR, but it has some distinction with it. As its name suggests, it's exclusive OR, which means that if both bits are 1, it will result 0. If both bits are 0, it will result 0. It will return only 1 if one bit is 0 and other bit is 1. Now we can see that example here. Bitwise XOR. XOR. Its symbol is this symbol. Now I am going to apply bitwise XOR operation manually. Now either, as I have said, 0 and 0 will result 0. 0 and 1 will result 1. 1 and 1 will also result as 0 in case of exclusive OR, and 0 and 0 will result 0. Now its output will be 4. Let me put XOR symbol here. As you can see, okay, I didn't commented it. Let me comment it first. As you can see, my answer is 4. Now I will comment this also. Now I am going to talk about bitwise NOT operator. This is a unary operator, which means it operates on single operand. Now we need only one number for this example. Now the binary representation of 6 is this, as I have shown you. What this operator returns, it returns the ones complement of that number on which we are applying this operator. Like the ones complement of this would be -7. How I get this? I will show you. First I will run this code to provide you answer. Now you can see I am getting -4. Avoid this code. This is for further use. I am recording this part again as something happened in my audio. That's why I am recording this part of bitwise NOT operator again. Now what happened behind the scene is, firstly 1 get added to our binary representation. So of this 6 0 1 1 0, then 1 get added to it. The binary representation of 1 is this. So the result would be 0 0 1 1 1. So at last it applies negative sign on it, and this will result, and this is the binary representation of 7. So this will result -7, as you can see my result. And this is the ones complement of 6. In other languages, ones complement reverses all the bits. That means the ones complement would result 1 at the place of 0, 0 at the place of 1. But in Python there is a ones complement stored differently in memory. So that's why we have this method of getting our ones complement. Left shift operator. The symbol is this toward the left. Now what does this operator does? Like, if this is also unary operator, which means it applies to single operand. If I have a equals to 8, now binary representation of 8 is 1 1 1 0 0. Now what this operator do? This operator shift the bits to the left to the amount which we have given. Sorry, this is not an unary operator. It requires two operands. One is to which we have to apply the shift, and other is how many bits we want to shift. Like if I do this by 1, it means I am shifting each bit by 1 towards left. Like now 1 will shift here, this 0 will shift here, and this 0 will shift here, and this 0 will shift, last 0 will shift here. Now this vacant place will be filled with 0. Now the resultant answer would be this. If I wrote 2 here, like if I wrote 2, then the bits will shift like this, will shift 2 places ahead. Like this is here, so I can write it like it would be here. Now this 0 would be here, this 0 would be here, and this 0 would be here, and there would be 2 vacant spaces behind, which would be filled with 0. Now I am going to print these output. This is 16 and this is 32. As you can see, 16 and 32. I can print both of binary form also to give you a great understanding of it, how bits get shifted, and vacant places always get filled with zeros. Now you can see this will result the same representation I do, like each bit got shifted left to how many times, as I mentioned, one time and two times, and you can choose any number. Okay, now we have right shift operator. Right shift operator works the opposite the left shift operator. It shifts the bit toward the right and fill the vacant left places with zero. Like this is the left shift operator, right shift operator, and the symbol is this. Now this will shift the oppositely. Now this zero will shifted here, and this zero will take place of it, and this zero take place of this zero, and one take place of this zero, and this zero will be vanished. This will result like this 1 0 0 1. As you can see, before there are three zeros. One zero get removed, and the vacant space here get filled with zero. And similar in that case, we have to shift. These all digits got shifted two times. As you can see, we have two vacant zeros and one zero. Two zeros get vanished. That. Now the answer would be same. Oh, wait a minute. I should comment these print statements first. Now I will show you. Okay, I didn't change the sign here. That's why the binary representation is coming different. Now I'm going to run this code. As you can see, I'm getting 4 as the output and 2. Now the bits get shifted towards the right. As you can see, this one is at the 4th position. Now this one is at 3rd position. And for 2 time shifting, this one was at 4th position. After get shifted, it was at 2nd position. You can see the bits get shifted 2 times in this statement, and bits get shifted 1 time in this statement. Which number you provide here, the bits get shifted that many times. Now this is all about the bitwise operators. Let me see, I have covered all of these. And or not exclusive or left shift, and my bad, here is exclusive right shift. It is right shift operator, not exclusive right. Okay, and here are the notes available in the link. As I told you many times, you can read these notes, and have also added these pictures which will provide you great understanding how to convert number to binary binary, and how to convert decimal number to binary. You can see link in the description. You can get all these notes from there. Bye bye. I will see you in the next one.